So welcome back. I'm back with a new video. This video is going to be something interesting because you can use two WhatsApp in only one single phone. Yes, that's right. You can use two WhatsApp in a one single phone. If you have two numbers on the same WhatsApp number, you can use both of those WhatsApp in same single phone. So let me show how is that possible. Simply open Google Play Store and download Parallel Space. I'll give link in the description. You can find it from there also. Simply download it. After downloading Parallel Space multiple accounts on two phase, you have to download one more app, that is Parallel Space 64-bit. Here is the first one. Install it. Just simply install it. After installing, simply open Parallel Space. Click on continue, give permissions. It will start to work. Just simply wait for a few seconds. This is very good and reliable method to run two WhatsApp in one phone. Just click on start and select which apps do you want to clone. Cloning is nothing but using second app. That means if you already have one app in your phone, that means for example WhatsApp, and you can use the second WhatsApp. I'll simply select WhatsApp, add to Parallel Space. Click on accept. Simply open WhatsApp. Install. Simply click on WhatsApp. It will ask some permissions, grant of them. It will start to begin. This is crazy, right? Click on agree and continue. Enter any of your number. I'll simply press the number. Okay, it will send a message. Just verify that OTP. 665581. Continue. Allow. Give permissions. Click on skip. Give your name. Yo, bro. It has came. You can see, bro. It is working simply cool. Hope you all guys like my video. If you do like my video, please do share to all your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any other future awesome videos like this one. Thank you very much.